Today, I'll show you how to make money by doing absolutely nothing. Yes, you heard me right. Better still, you can do what you love. Yes, so I'm going to be sharing with you easy side hustles that you can do and start to make money from the comfort of your home today. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Miriam. If you're new here, please go ahead and introduce yourselves. I'd like to know you and meet you. Where in the world are you tuning in from? Today, I've got something you're going to love. An easy side hustle that you can start today and start to make money from day one. Yes, you heard me right. I've tested it myself and it's perfect for anyone looking to boost their income quickly. So let's get right into it, besties. Come with me, let's go. So guys, what is this side hustle? Guys, the side hustle I'm talking about here is this. So whether you're offering local services, you're flipping items online, or you're completing micro tasks, this hustle is beginner friendly. It requires zero upfront costs and you can start to make money instantly. Let me break it down for you guys and see how it works. Now, here is how to start making money right now. You can get started today and make money immediately. Go ahead and sign up on platforms like TaskRabbit, Fiverr, or even Facebook Marketplace. Or if you're flipping items, you can hit up local thrift stores or Facebook Marketplace for items to sell. Now is to start offering your services and listing your products. Yes, go ahead and post your service or products, be clear about what you're offering and price it competitively to attract your first customers quickly. Then go ahead and promote it on social media or within your community. Then promote what you're offering on social media through word of mouth or by placing local ads. You want to get the word out fast. The step 4 is to deliver quality work or ship your products. Once you get that first customer, deliver quality service and ship your products promptly to keep things moving and build up repeat business or good reviews. Guys, this is why this side hustle works from day one. This is instant cash for you. And you can see, you're probably wondering, why is this side hustle so effective from day one? Here is why. You get immediate payouts. Yes, many platforms or services will pay you as soon as the job is done or the item is sold, which means fast cash in your pocket. There is no learning curve. It's so easy. Anyone can do it, and there's no need for special skills or training to get started. You have low to no investment. You don't need to spend money up front. You can start offering services or flipping items using what you already have. Guys, my earnings after testing, guys, I wanted to just put this hustle to test myself, and I jumped in, followed the exact steps that I just shared, and in less than 24 hours I made a good amount of money. I'm telling you, it's not bad for something you can start with zero investment. Now, this is a hustle that can easily scale too. So as you build your customers or your inventory, your earnings will only grow. Now, here is my bonus tips to earn more money. Now, before we wrap up, guys, here are a few bonus tips to even make more money from this side hustle. Tip 1 is to bundle your services or your products. Offer packages. Yes, offer package deals to get bigger sales upfront. Then go ahead and upsell to your customer. So if you're providing a service, always offer a higher tier or an extra service. So if you're selling the products, suggest complimentary items that comes with it. And then tip number 3 is to stay consistent. I'm telling you, the more consistent you work on this hustle, the more money you will make. I mean, don't expect huge payouts from just one effort, but from day-to-day consistency, it will bring up results for you. Then guys, start making money today. And yes, I have a bonus tip for you guys. There is this app I also recently discovered. It is called Nextdoor app. Yes, nextdoor.com. I mean, you can go on the website nextdoor.com. Nextdoor, like the girl next door, the guy next door. So guys, here is one way to cash out using Nextdoor. I am using it myself. So all you need to do is go and download the app called nextdoor.com and then register your business. Don't register as an individual, and I'll tell you why. This is because you have access to everyone in your local community. So I'll give you an example. If you have 100,000 people in your local community and you're able to convert just 1% of that, hello, you have 1,000 customers already. Yes. So what you need to do, and it's free. Please do not run ads on Nextdoor. Do not. I'm telling you now, this is my own caveat emptor. Let buyers beware. Do not run ads on Nextdoor. Ads, in fact, the visibility I got without ads is way higher than the visibility I got while running ads. Yes, I got 42,000 impressions. Yes, with just a post without running ads on Nextdoor. So if you offer any service, put it on Nextdoor. Start. You can use my own templates. You can start by saying, hello beautiful neighbors, my name is X and Y, and then go ahead and give them a word of encouragement for the day. If you're going through this or that, I promise you all will be well in the end. Just, put it out there for them and then tell them, just state your value proposition. Yes, just tell them, hey guys, I offer X and Y services. You can reach me through this phone number or this email or this website or through Instagram. Just let them know how they can connect with you, or you can also encourage them to send you a DM. Yes, when you do that, they are able to contact you if they need your services. You can also use Nextdoor to hire people, like I'm hiring people using Nextdoor. You can use, and that is it. It's a two-way thing, so you can either hire or you get hired on Nextdoor using these strategies that I'm sharing with you today. So go ahead and start making money from today. Use Nextdoor to your advantage rather than scrolling through your phone and not making money out of it. This is one fantastic way that you can call money into your home. I'm telling you, I have made sales, thousands of dollars using Nextdoor, and I am still using Nextdoor to promote my services as well. So besties, we have come to the juicy part of today's video. I'm giving away a $100 cash gift. Yes, so guys, all you need to do to get this $100 from me is just join my Telegram community. Yes, join my Telegram channel and go ahead and also add 50 of your friends into my Telegram channel. Add 50 of them. So here is how to achieve that. Send my Telegram link to 500 people or 1,000 people. At least 5% of 1,000 will join that as 50, or 10% of 500 will join that as 50. So once you add them to my Telegram community, guys, this money is all yours. Yes, I'm going to transfer it to you through Zelle, Venmo, Cash App, PayPal, or even Western Union money transfer. I don't care where you're watching me from, anywhere in the world. I will transfer these $100 cash gifts to you. So guys, there you have it. You already know by now that on this channel, it's all about how to make money real quick. Yes, and I've always got you. If you have any question for me, do not hesitate to let me know in the comments. I'll be more than happy to respond to every single one of you. And if you're seeing me for the first time, you have not subscribed to my channel, my God is watching you. Please go ahead and join the family. Subscribe to my channel, like today's video, and do well to share this video. So while you're introducing yourselves, let me also go ahead and introduce myself before we call it a day. My name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer and a YouTube content creator here. I'm also a YouTube coach. I help small to medium-sized businesses start a profitable YouTube channel and begin to monetize here on YouTube from the very first day. So besties, that is it for today. Do not forget, let me know in the comments if you have any question for me. I do not bite. Feel free on this channel. It is not just my channel, it is your channel, it is our channel. So please let me know what you want to see more of on this channel. You know your wish is already my command. And in case no one has told you today, let me be the first to tell you that you're amazing, you're sweet, you're gorgeous, and I'm so proud of you. Alright guys, take care of yourselves and go to Express, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye for now. Love you.